This tutorial review will show you how to create email template in Gmail. Open your Gmail and first of all we need to enable templates option. So click on settings, see all settings, click on advanced. Here you'll find this templates option. Make sure it's enabled. Then click on compose, write your email. Then click on this three dot, click on templates and click on save draft as template and select save as a new template. Enter the template name, click on save, and that's how we can create email template. And to insert any template, open the compose window and click on this three dot, templates, and from here select the template you want to insert, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.